with you. Your reaction to the numbers we're seeing from the market right now.
Yeah, well, listen, we're seeing a little bit of a continuation of some cold water on the Santa Claus rally, a little bit more of that correction. Remember, Alex, we expected a little bit of a correction going into the end of the year, but I'm staying very firmly bullish. We saw some numbers out of Bank of America this morning indicating that institutional fund managers have more cash on the sidelines going into 26 than ever before. We're looking at a pretty bullish setup to start the year.
My goodness. Okay. How about this? So meanwhile, the Trump administration hiring 1,000 specialists in a new initiative that's being called the, quote, U.S. Tech Force, which will work on AI infrastructure and other technology projects. All right, Seth, what do you make about this? Is this a smart move by the government here?
You know, it is, Alex, and it's not something uncommon to what we've seen in the past. We saw the Obama administration do this, the Reagan administration do this, the Kennedy administration do this. When there are emerging markets, the federal government invests in development and training programs that both they can benefit from, but really will improve the overall workforce. AI is expected, according to Price Waterhouse, to be 15% of the global GDP by 2030. That's almost a $16 trillion economy. What I appreciate about how the president is approaching this is let's train up the right people. Let's make sure the federal government utilizes these resources. Remember, the federal government have 2 million civilian employees generating billions in payroll. There's ways to streamline that. The federal government knows this. This president knows this, and he's putting it into action.
Yeah, definitely. Moving on, something very concerning. So a new recall, the FDA now warning recalled baby formula linked to a nationwide outbreak of bacterial illnesses in infants. Walmart, Target, Kroger, Albertson kept the recall. It's called By Heart Whole Nutrition Infant Formula on store shelves even after being notified of the recall all the way back in November. Mark, what in the world is going on here? This is scary.
Yeah, it's very scary, Alex. And this is the kind of thing that's a nightmare, not only for the retailers, but also for the companies that manufacture products like this. Anytime you're talking about something that involves infants, babies, you can see the stocks that are involved with this thing getting hit really hard before this is over. This is really sad to see.
Yeah. Oh, gosh, I hate that story. Lastly, before we let you guys go, Elon Musk reaching a level of wealth now within striking distance of becoming the world's first trillionaire. Yeah, it's trillionaire with a T, Seth. Must be nice.
Well, it must be nice, but here's the thing, Alex. He's earned it. And I think so oftentimes in our young people today that are coming into the economy, they are taught that to be risk averse, to prioritize survival over success. And when you do that, you oftentimes get neither. Elon knows that. He took effectively a $28,000 loan in 1995 and created the empire he has now. It's not been without failure. Innovation is hard. You have to think about it. There's no blueprint for it. Elon knows that. He has fought through it, and he should be a symbol of the great aspects of the American dream that can become a reality if you're willing to work hard for it. Prioritize success instead of just survival, and it's a powerful message.
Yeah, and the American dream from a South African immigrant coming here and being so successful, and it was a lot of hard work and risk, like you said. So many times nowadays, billionaires, millionaires, they get demonized, but I don't think people realize the hard work and risk that they really have to put in to build their wealth the way that they are. Seth, Mark, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Gentlemen, really appreciate it.